Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mazan. We're about to drop some serious travel knowledge on you. You know Thailand, right? Beaches, sunshine, the whole 9 yards. But there's a whole other Thailand out there. So buckle up because we're about to take you beyond the beach and into the heart of Thailand. Alright, so you're in Thailand, right? You've had your fill of beach time, built epic sandcastles, and perfected your tan. The sun, the sand, and the sea have been your playground and you've soaked in the tropical vibes. But there's so much more to this incredible country than just its stunning coastlines. Now, it's time to dive deeper. Beyond the beaches lies a world rich in history and culture, waiting to be explored. We're talking about stepping back in time, immersing yourselves in history and culture that'll blow your mind. Imagine walking through places where every stone has a story to tell, where the air is thick with the echoes of the past. Imagine this, walking through ancient temples, some over 1,000 years old. These aren't just buildings, they're living, breathing pieces of history.
Picture this. Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, rising from the banks of the Chao Phraya River. As the sun rises, the temple's spires catch the light, creating a breathtaking spectacle. This place has seen empires rise and fall. It's a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Thai people. You can feel the energy as you walk through those gates. The stories etched into every wall. Each carving, each statue has a tale to tell. And the best part? It's not just about the history, it's about the feeling, the atmosphere that envelops you as you explore. It's about the feeling, the spirituality that permeates these temples. There's a sense of peace, a connection to something greater. You'll see monks in their saffron robes, hear the chanting, smell the incense. It's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. It's a sensory journey that touches your soul.
Trust me, not these temples. They're unlike anything you've ever seen. We're talking intricate carvings, towering statues, hidden passageways. It's like stepping into another world. Every corner you turn reveals something new and awe-inspiring.
But it's not just about the big, famous temples. The lesser-known spots have their own unique charm. Venture off the beaten path and you'll discover hidden gems, smaller shrines tucked away in bustling cities or perched on remote mountaintops. These places offer a more intimate, personal experience. Smaller shrines tucked away in bustling cities or perched on remote mountaintops. Each one has its own story, its own magic.
And the locals? They're the heart and soul of these places. Their warmth and hospitality make your visit truly special. They'll tell you stories, share their traditions, and make you feel like family. Their connection to these places adds a layer of depth to your experience.
And don't even get me started on the food. Thai cuisine is a journey in itself. Each region of Thailand has its own unique flavors, from the spicy dishes of the north to the rich coconut-based curries of the south. So get ready to tantalize those taste buds. Every meal is an adventure, a chance to explore the diverse culinary landscape of Thailand. So, yeah, Thailand's got beaches, but it's the history and the culture that'll really blow you away. It's a place where every moment is a discovery, every experience a story waiting to be told. Alright, let's talk about food. Not just any food, but the kind that tells a story with every bite. I'm talking about real deal, authentic Thai food. The kind that makes your taste buds dance and your heart sing. And no, I'm not talking about that pad Thai you get at your local takeout joint. I'm talking about the kind of food that you can only find on the streets of Thailand. I'm talking about street food. The kind that's cooked right in front of you with recipes that have been perfected over generations. The sights, the smells, the chaos. It's an experience that'll ignite your senses. It's not just about eating, it's about immersing yourself in the culture. Imagine this. You're walking through a bustling market, vendors calling out, the air thick with the aroma of spices and grilling meat. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible.
First things first, forget everything you thought you knew about Thai food. This is a whole new world of flavors and textures. Sure, you've got your curries and noodles, but the real magic happens on the streets. It's where the heart and soul of Thai cuisine truly shine. We're talking about dishes you won't find in any restaurant. Unique creations that are a testament to the creativity and skill of the street vendors. Dishes that have been passed down through generations, recipes guarded with the utmost secrecy. Each bite is a piece of history.
Now, I know what you're thinking. Casey, street food with kids, are you crazy? Hear me out, it's an adventure for the whole family. Thai street food is meant to be shared. It's a communal experience that brings people together. It's all about small plates bursting with flavor so everyone can try a little bit of everything. It's a feast for the senses and a journey for the palate.
Let's start with the classics, the dishes that have stood the test of time. Pad See Ew, these thick chewy noodles, stir-fried with soy sauce, garlic, and Chinese broccoli. It's comfort food at its finest. And don't even get me started on the mango sticky rice. It's a dessert that dreams are made of. Sweet, ripe mango, paired with sticky rice and a drizzle of coconut milk. It's the perfect way to end a meal. It's a symphony of flavors that leaves you wanting more.
But the real fun is in the exploration. Every corner of the market holds a new surprise. Don't be afraid to try something new. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace the unknown. See a dish you don't recognize? Ask the vendor what it is. You'll be surprised at the stories behind each dish.
And it's not just about the food, it's about the atmosphere. The energy of the market is infectious. These markets are a sensory overload in the best way possible. The colors, the sounds, the smells, it's a feast for the senses. So grab your family, head to the nearest market, and get ready for a culinary experience you won't soon forget. It's more than just a meal. It's a journey into the heart of Thai culture.
Let's talk about elephants, the gentle giants of Thailand. These magnificent creatures have long been a symbol of strength, wisdom, and grace. They are deeply revered in Thai culture and have played significant roles in the country's history and traditions. But here's the deal, we're not talking about riding elephants or watching them perform tricks. Those days are behind us, and for good reason. The focus now is on their well-being and ensuring they live in environments that mimic their natural habitats as closely as possible. We're talking about ethical wildlife encounters, experiences that respect these majestic creatures and their natural habitat. This means no chains, no hooks, and definitely no riding. Instead, it's about observing and appreciating them from a respectful distance.
Imagine this. You're walking through a lush sanctuary, surrounded by elephants roaming freely. The air is filled with the sounds of nature, and you can see these gentle giants interacting with each other, just as they would in the wild. The kids are in awe, their eyes wide with wonder, and you're filled with a sense of peace knowing you're supporting a good cause. It's an experience that not only educates, but also inspires a deeper connection to wildlife and conservation efforts.
The tourism industry hasn't always been kind to elephants. For decades, these animals were subjected to harsh training methods and forced to entertain tourists. For years, they've been exploited for entertainment, forced to perform tricks and carry tourists on their backs. But things are changing. Awareness is growing and more people are recognizing the importance of treating these animals with the respect they deserve. There's a growing movement towards ethical elephant tourism, and Thailand is leading the way. Sanctuaries are becoming more popular, offering tourists a chance to see elephants in a more humane and respectful setting.
Elephant sanctuaries are popping up all over the country, offering a safe haven for rescued elephants. These places are dedicated to rehabilitation and providing a life of dignity for these incredible animals. These sanctuaries are all about giving these animals the care and respect they deserve. Caretakers work tirelessly to ensure the elephants are healthy, happy, and free from harm. No chains, no hooks, no riding. Just elephants being elephants. They can roam, play, and socialize as they would in the wild, which is crucial for their mental and physical well-being.
So, what can you expect at an elephant sanctuary? It's not just about watching, it's about engaging and learning. You can feed them, bathe them, and learn about their behavior from expert guides. These activities are designed to be enriching for both the elephants and the visitors, fostering a mutual respect and understanding.
Look, I get it. The allure of seeing elephants up close is strong. Everyone wants to see elephants when they come to Thailand. It's a bucket list experience for many, but let's do it the right way. By choosing ethical sanctuaries, we can ensure that our fascination with these animals doesn't come at their expense. Instead, it can contribute to their well-being and conservation. All right, adventure junkies, this one's for you. We're talking about pushing your limits, feeling the adrenaline surge, and experiencing Thailand from a whole new perspective. Forget about relaxing on the beach. We're about to get your heart pumping.
Imagine this. You're soaring through the air, the jungle canopy rushing beneath you, the wind whipping through your hair. The kids are screaming with delight, their laughter echoing through the trees, and you're feeling more alive than ever.
First up, ziplining. Thailand is a ziplining paradise with courses crisscrossing the country, from the lush jungles of the north to the tropical islands of the south.
And the best part? There are ziplining experiences for all ages and skill levels. Got little ones who are just getting their feet wet? No problem. There are plenty of beginner-friendly courses with shorter, slower zip lines.
We're talking about mega zip lines that'll send you soaring over canyons, waterfalls, and even across rivers. But the adventure doesn't stop there.
Thailand is an outdoor enthusiast's playground. We're talking about whitewater rafting through raging rapids, kayaking through serene mangroves, and exploring hidden caves that'll make you feel like Indiana Jones. Thailand's got it all.
All right, let's talk about where you're going to rest your head after all these amazing adventures. Forget your cookie-cutter hotels and resorts. We're going off the beaten path, discovering unique accommodations that'll immerse you in Thai culture and create memories that'll last a lifetime.
Imagine this. You're waking up to the sound of birdsong, surrounded by lush jungle, the air thick with the scent of frangipani. The kids are swinging in a hammock, sipping on fresh coconut water, and you're feeling a million miles away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
First up, homestays. This is your chance to experience authentic Thai hospitality firsthand. You'll be welcomed into a local family's home, sharing meals, stories, and traditions.
Next, we've got jungle lodges and treehouses. Nestled deep in the rainforest, these eco-friendly accommodations offer a truly immersive experience.
And for those who crave a little luxury, Thailand's got you covered. So ditch the resort, step outside your comfort zone, and discover the magic of Thailand's unique accommodations. So there you have it. Thailand, it's more than just a pretty beach. It's a country bursting with adventure, culture, and experiences that'll stay with your family long after you've left. From exploring ancient temples to zip-lining through the jungle, from trying exotic street food to encountering gentle giants, Thailand has something for everyone. Remember that feeling when you discover something truly special? That's Thailand. It's the unexpected encounters, the genuine smiles, the moments that take your breath away. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your family adventure to Thailand today. Peace out.